In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Trello file into Notion. Whether you're looking to transition seamlessly from Trello to Notion or manage your projects more efficiently, this guide is here to walk you through the process step by step. It's simpler than you might think, so let's dive right in. First, head over to your Notion dashboard. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so. Once you're at the dashboard, you should be able to see all your existing pages and spaces. It's the hub where all your Notion activities begin, so you should feel comfortable navigating through this space. Next, direct your attention to the upper right hand corner of your screen, where you'll find the Settings button. It typically looks like a small gear or a simple menu that opens up more options. Clicking here will open up a variety of different options for customizing your Notion experience. Now, from the list of options that appear, you need to click on Import. This will prompt Notion to provide a variety of import options, as it supports importing from several different platforms to help users streamline their workflows. With Import, you're just a few clicks away from getting your Trello board into Notion. After selecting Import, you'll be presented with a list of platforms you can import from. Scroll down or glance through the available options until you find Trello. Clicking on Trello is what allows Notion to prepare for importing those specific files. Next, you'll need to select the specific board you want to import. If you have multiple boards in Trello, they should appear in a list for you to choose from. Consider which board will be the most beneficial to bring into Notion, perhaps starting with your most active projects, or those where you think Notion's features could enhance your workflow. Finally, once you've selected a board, click on Import. This is the moment where Notion begins to work its magic, seamlessly pulling your Trello details into the application. Depending on the size of your board and the network speed, this process may take a little time, so be patient. And there you have it, all your Trello board information should now be available within Notion. You can start organizing, modifying, and integrating your Trello data with other Notion features, allowing you to maximize productivity. This import feature helps bridge the gap between two powerful project management tools, ensuring that all your hard work in Trello is still accessible as you explore and utilize all the powerful features that Notion has to offer. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're now able to enjoy a smooth transition of your Trello boards into Notion. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks. Enjoy your new and organized workspace.